Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace message not showing up in Messenger. Are your Facebook Marketplace message not showing up in Messenger? Don't worry, this is a common problem and you can fix it within a few simple steps. First, check your internet connection. Messenger needs a stable connection to load message. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. For that, scroll down from the top right corner of your phone. This will open Control Center. Here you can switch mobile data and Wi-Fi, or you can also turn on airplane mode for the 10 seconds and turn it back off. After that, refresh the Messenger app, close the app completely and reopen it again. Sometimes message doesn't load because of small glitches. Now check the message box inbox directly. Open the Facebook, tap on the marketplace icon, then go to your inbox there. Sometimes marketplace message shows up there but not in Messenger right away. And another important step is to update the Messenger and Facebook app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and make sure your app is updated. An outdated app can cause this error. If message doesn't still appear, restart your phone. This clears temporary system issues that can cause notification and message loading. And that's it. That's all today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.